Yellow flies. It's on your shoulder. Okay, so today...
Why now? Why?
Today is May 2nd.
Yeah.
And...
Fighting the yellow flies.
They are evil.
Yeah.
Nothing keeps them away. I don't feel like we're telling them anything new. For the last week, it's been sealing stuff up. But we are moving forward. You have pulled out the color guard. I spent some time this morning wiping down with acetone after yesterday scrubbing with Barkeeper's Friend.
It's a roof sealer. It's acrylic polyurethane hybrid made for EPDM liner. Problem is that this has been so oxidized that even though that original was on there, every time we wipe it down, whether it's acetone or whatever, it still comes off with the chalky residue. So I'm hoping that a little bit of a light acetone wipe will be enough to give it some tooth and clean to have this adhere. So I'm not going to waste 5 gallons of it and put it on the whole thing just to have it peel off. So we're going to do some test spots today.
Right. So yay. And you're about to open it. Go ahead and let's see what this looks like inside. And as he said, it's Cool Guard Roof Sealer, a acrylic urethane hybrid elastomeric insulating membrane. Looks like whipping cream.
We'll probably roll this on, but for the test spots, I'm going to just brush it for now.
Yeah, there's no sense wasting a roller. But the roller will give it a smoother surface, which means it will not take on as much sludge.
And doing it this way, it also allows you to push it into a few of the spots, especially around these areas that have been patched and sealed. And honestly, we just don't know. I don't know how this is going to bond to everything. So there's 2 different types, actually 3 different types all right here of surfaces.
Well, let's just face it. It's 100 times better than what it was when we got this thing. I don't think they had ever, they may have never done the roof on this. And if they did, it was decades ago. I think it's been sitting in a field since at least 2016, just rotting. That's based on some of the paperwork we found on it. Okay, so sadly, the sealer was a fail. That underlayment just pulled right off. So Cory's been online researching, and his plan is there's a primer that you can put on first. So it's going to be another layer of stuff, but that's pretty disappointing how easily that just peels. Not what we wanted. So back to the drawing board. If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store, and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.